Hi, Precious. Hi. Hi, I see you. I see you. I see you looking so nice. Yeah. What are you going to do? You going to say anything? That big belly. Look at that big belly. Can you say apple? Yeah, that's close. Apple. Apple? Apple. You're gonna fly to me? You're gonna fly to me? Okay. What are you doing? Just doing a recording of you. Oh, he wants your bagel. Now what are you doing? Now what are you doing? What are you doing? It's almost time for you to go to sleep. Yeah. Where are you going?